KG5 EIU, going to show you how to install K4-Companion on a Windows 11 machine. But first, let's take a look of what you need to have set up on the Elecraft K4 to get going. You'll want to make sure you go down to your globe setting here, and you can tap on your globe setting. And what you want to make sure is you've got a password, and I set max clients to 2, but it needs to be at least 1 or more. And you get to that menu out here under the globe, comes up, and under server settings is where you want to look, and you put a password there. You're going to need that password for the K4-Companion software. So let's go ahead and go out to the GitHub site to go get. He has a pre-built Windows executable out here. This is the latest version, version 1.4. It's June 19th, 2025, and he just updated this. It's nice and fresh. So if you look, here's the URL. It's out on GitHub under Dale's Farnsworth K4-Companion, and it's a cool little program that runs over your IP network that allows you to control and use your Elecraft K4 radio. So go out to his GitHub site. You want to look under the Windows directory, and there's an installer. You can click on that, and you can go download it. And you'll see it's downloading up here. I'll go look at it in my download directory here. So here it is downloaded. We're kind of done with that. We'll go ahead and run the installer. I'm going to run this anyways. And I'm going to leave the defaults all checked here. It's going to give me a desktop shortcut, a start menu, and of course the app itself. I'm okay with this directory, and we can show the details. And we see the progress bar. We'll close. That's it. We're done with the installation. So now let's go ahead and launch it. So here's the startup. And now here's where you're going to need some information to connect up to the radio. You can see the little globe in the lower right-hand corner here on the Elecraft screen. There's nobody connected. We'll need the IP address, right? So if you go back in your menu settings, and you can look under your configuration settings here. Here's my IP address that I'm using on my radio. So 192.168.230. So we're going to want to put that address in there, colon port number. So it's 192.168.1.230 colon 9205 is the port number. And here's where you're going to need that super secret password you put in the server over there. So I've put my password in there, and you can leave K4, the name, everything else here is ready to go, and you connect up. And here you go. We are connected up. You can see in the lower right-hand side of the screen there, the globe. And, you know, if you twist the dial on the front of the radio, you've got VFO control. You've got some receive menus. You've got a transmit menu, EQ menu, audio, and the server itself. And you can exit out or power off. Now, if you power off, the K4, there's really no way to power it on unless you have some other fancy way of controlling the power off. So just be aware of that. So we'll go ahead and exit. And you can see the globe on the K4, in the lower right-hand corner. I've disconnected. And that's it. That's all there is to installing K4-Companion on a Windows machine. Thanks for watching. 7.3 from KG5 EIU.